Hello everybody and welcome to Plan with Ivy. My name is Ivy and we're going to get started with the final Plan with Me of 2018. This is the final spread that's going to be going in my 2018 planner, and it actually worked out very well. That actually goes very well with the color scheme of my planner cover for the latter part of this year. So we're doing all black and gold for New Year's. New Year's has already happened by the time this has been posted, so I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year is in your future. This spread is very motivational and I'm using a lot by black and gold, and it looks so aesthetically pleasing in my mind. I can't wait to take some Instagram pictures. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, you should be following me just because it's gonna get lit in 2018. It's not 2018 anymore. It's gonna get lit in 2019, just saying. So I will follow me on there just so you don't miss anything. But enough of me blabbering, let's get to planning.
Just forever. Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know.
Have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. I have to say the deco at the top has to be my favorite, along with the full boxes. I just love the color scheme also because I think it came together very well. I was very strict with this color palette. As you can see, no colors other than yellow and black and gold made into this spread. I was not letting anything else into the spread, and I think it turned out very well. Tell me what you think and comment down below because I would like to know your last thoughts on the last Plan with Me of 2018. I can't believe 2019 has started and we are moving into a new year, and I am moving into a new planner. So the next Plan with Me you will see will be coming in this planner that I got for this year. It's another Erin Condren. It's the 2019 Erin Condren. It's also in neutral, and I cannot wait to start planning it because oh my god, I haven't used a new planner since last year, and look at how thin it is. Look at how thin. You never realize how thick sticker planning actually makes your planner until you look at a new planner. It's so thin compared to this one. And don't worry, I will be doing a full flip through of this planner. It will be coming up, I believe, this Friday, so stay tuned to that. I will have a long and short version depending on what your preference is. I will have a long and short version so you can listen to me ramble, or you can just see all my spreads at once. So get excited for that, and stay tuned to the end of this video. you get a sneak peek of next week. So the next planned video that you can expect from me is actually going to be a rewind of this week, because the first week in my next planner is actually this week as well. So I'm just going to do a rewind spread for that week. So I'm going to be using this kit from Eclectically Emily, which I believe is called Winter Vibes, I believe. It's just a very wintry kit, and I love the little pastel colors in it. And I have a few things that would go really nice with this, so I can't wait to put this in my new planner. So if you're interested in seeing why I do post this plan with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you officially become part of the Ivy League. We're having a lot of fun this next year, so you don't want to miss a bit of it. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!